Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make an alcoholic version of the famous Shirley Temple drink for you. You will be happy to know that Shirley Temple is a mixed drink, invented by a bartender at Chasen's, a restaurant in West Hollywood, California, to serve then-child actress Shirley Temple. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I am using a Colin glass for this recipe. I will pour 1 ounce of grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and easily available in the market. Okay. 1½ ounces of vodka. I am using Smirnoff vodka for this cocktail, though you can use any vodka of your choice. Shirley Temple drink is famous for its beautiful red color. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will squeeze 3 fresh lemon moons, to balance the sweetness of the grenadine syrup. You can check the description box, for the detailed recipe. Now I will pack up the glass with fresh ice. Always use fresh ice, as fresh ice dilutes slowly, and increases the life of the cocktail. Now finally I will top up the glass with chilled ginger ale. It is interesting to know that previous ginger ales were sold as alcoholic drinks, but now modern ginger ales are completely non-alcoholic. Now I will slowly stir to mix all the ingredients. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Now I will garnish this cocktail with an orange slice, cherry, and a mint sprig. You are watching Spice Trail. Shirley Temple cocktail is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, for more exciting recipes like this. Cheers for your beautiful life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon, with a beautiful recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.